LinkedIn does offer some member analytics for personal profiles. So you can see some basic analytics around your reach, your post performance, and how many views your profile is getting. And this has now been announced that it's going to roll out into third-party tools via a specific API. So LinkedIn has just launched a new set of member post analytics APIs, which will enable third-party tools like Hootsuite Buffer, Sprinkler, Metricool, Social Pilot, Later, Publer, any of the scheduling tools or management tools to be able to integrate more LinkedIn post performance data. And I think this is really important because it's telling that LinkedIn recognizes how important your member profiles are to your overall mix. I think it's really important that you can analyze how maybe your directors, your C-suite, your wider employees are helping to contribute to your overall visibility on the platform. And the smart brands are really tracking to see what their main employees are delivering on LinkedIn. With the rise of elements like thought leader ads and also newsletters, it's really important to think about how your company is approaching thought leadership through member profiles. And if you're not thinking about this at the moment, then I would encourage you to, because at the moment, LinkedIn profiles, the member profiles, are actually performing a lot better than company pages on LinkedIn as a whole. So I'm excited to see some individual user data in my Hootsuite and Sprinkler and Metricool management tools. So keep an eye out for when that does roll out. Let's hear from Sam Correro-Clannon, who is head of creators at LinkedIn.
Earlier this summer, we announced a number of new analytics. So things like profile viewers and followers gained from a post, as well as premium button interactions. And we got a lot of really good feedback. People told us that these insights are really useful, but they also told us that they don't want to just have access to their LinkedIn metrics on the platform, but they also want to incorporate those metrics into their larger workflows, into the tools that they already use to manage and measure their content. That's why today we're launching a number of new member analytics APIs. So what these will allow you to do is pull your LinkedIn performance data, so video performance, post performance, into your social media management platform of choice. This is something that's been available for pages for some time that we're now extending to all members. So we're live now with a number of leading social media management platforms. I'll put the full list in the caption, and we'll be adding more in the coming weeks and months. Let me know if you've got feedback. Would be glad to hear it, and we'll continue building with you in mind.
So an exciting update there. My feedback would be not a great optimized video there because actually the captions and his name and title are overlaying each other. So it's actually a little bit difficult to read some of the captions, and I really struggled to actually see his name on that video as well. So always think about your safe zones, as they're called, and where you're going to place the captions. Make sure there's no interference with other channel furniture, because it doesn't make for a great viewing experience if you can't properly read the information on screen. So that would be my feedback to LinkedIn.